Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome slow downloading. First, you need to open Google Chrome, then go to the search bar, type Chrome //flags. Then you will go to this menu. In this search bar, you have to type parallel downloading. You will get this result. As here you can see, by enabling the parallel downloading, you can accelerate the download speed. As it is set to default, you have to enable this one. Then restart or relaunch the app. The first step is done. Now you have to go to the three dot option, and from the drop down menu please select the settings option. From here you need to search for continue running background apps. Here you can see this option, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. You need to make sure this is disabled. Also you need to make sure that use hardware acceleration when available is enabled. Okay, then now the third step, you have to go to the search bar and look for command prompt. Click on the run as administrator. Here you need to type ipconfig space / flush DNS. Press enter. As you can see, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now again you have to type netfh winsock reset. Press enter. As you can see, successfully reset the winsock catalog. You have to restart in order to complete the reset. By following this option, you can easily get the better downloading speed. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.